World Cup final, we lost against Australia. As a coach, if the boys lift the trophy, it's a great wish. I'm hoping for that.
Looking forward to a good match.
Yeah, hopefully. No, one-sided is fine. Not a good match. But one-sided is good.
Right, going on air.
8,
Good luck, everyone.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Roll blue.
Roll blue.
New Zealand have won the toss here tonight in the first semi-final, and they'll bat first.
One of the great cricketing venues of the world for semi-final number 1 between New Zealand and Pakistan. Absolutely fantastic setting. It's a beautiful evening here in Sydney, and nothing has been left to chance. Ball 1. Straight down the ground for 4. Swung into the middle of the bat. Closest, but not close enough for Murray Erasmus. It is! Oh, what a long deliberation that was. And straight away, Finn Allen has reviewed it. Wow. Finn Allen reviewed that instantaneously. This time it's close. This time it's very close. A repeat here. And Shaheen Shah Afridi, he's a believer.
Stupendous shot from Devon Conway. Pakistan think they've got their man. Shadab is amongst the best.
Brilliant bit of fielding. And this is a big moment. Conway was looking like he was getting going and starting to find his feet and timing.
Gone. Another caught and bowled, and that is a brilliant piece of bowling and a good wicket again for Pakistan, and a big blow with Phillips going.
Whack, bang. First 6 of the innings, the captain takes the lead. Beautiful footwork from Daryl Mitchell, heaves it straight down the ground. That's a lovely blow for New Zealand. It's a 50 partnership.
Big one from Shaheen Shah Afridi. 4 wickets in the last game, and he's showing a return to some duly of his best form.
And half century for Daryl Mitchell.
Last ball, Mitchell on strike. Can't get it away. And Mohammad Rizwan says that will be enough. We are quite happy chasing 153.
All the way he went about it and got us to a competitive total.
Edged and down. Conway can't grasp it. Oh, sounds nice, looks nice. That's the way to start a run chase. Shots flowing, runs flowing at the SCG. All off the blade of Rizwan and Babar Azam.
That is not pressure. That's a free hit. And everyone they're getting, Pakistan, they're cashing in on.
The gap finding here has been sublime.
A wonderfully appreciated half century.
towards long on, hasn't got enough of it. Daryl Mitchell takes the catch. New Zealand making a breakthrough. Much needed, but Pakistan still in control, you would think. Third T20 international half-century for Mohammad Rizwan, and what an occasion, what a night to pick that number up.
This could be another catch. It is a catch. Phillips takes it. New Zealand will believe they're still a sniff here. Lovely shot. That is outstanding. Again, that's massive. That's 30 rows back, Mel Jones.
The word that comes to mind is audacious. This is something special to watch. The start of his career, he is making a name for himself right here at the SCG.
Finn Allen takes the catch. Well, I'll leave it some of those players that they're in this position, but they are, and here it is. Down the ground, and that is it. Shan Masood hits the winning runs, and Pakistan are absolutely ecstatic in the dugout. And why not? The first time in 13 years they have reached a World Cup final. And they have done it in style.